Hey guys, welcome to Ask Me Definition. Today we are going to talk about CBSE 2021-22 new academic year pattern. The academic year has been divided into two terms. The term 1 November and December month, term 2 for March and April month. In the term 1, the 50% of the syllabus will be included for the question paper. Exam will be in the month of November or December. External examiner will be conducting the exam. CBSE will circulate MCQ based question paper. And in the term 1 question paper, which will be including two types of questions, assessment and reasoning based question, case based question. And the role of board, it will circulate OMR sheet and question papers to the school, and it will allot external examiners also to the school. And for the term 2 examination, which will be in the month of April and March and April 2022, includes the remaining 50% of the syllabus. Board will circulate question paper and also the OMR sheet. Type of questions for term 2 will be three types: case based, short long answer type, situation based questions. And the role of school in this particular case, it has to undertake the minimum 3 assessment which will be conducted internally: portfolio, project, practical, speaking and listening skills, student enrichment. All these activities can be conducted at the school for the evaluation purpose. And in the term 2, in case adverse pandemic situation will be continued, and the 90 minutes MCQ exam will be conducted for in that particular situation. For term exam, which has to be done, the marking scheme question paper will be given by the board, and centers will also be allotted by the school board only, and external examiners will also be appointed by the board, and MCR course OMR sheets will be also given by board. In case pandemic is in control, the following will be in the conditionally for the assessment of students and marking of the student. If suppose no pandemic is there, both the term exams will be taken at the school. Both exams will have evenly weightage for the assessment of the child. And in case the pandemic is there in either of the terms, like term 1 or term 2, and another exam will be taken at the school, then weightage will be given to that particular case where the exam will be taken in school, not at the home. And if suppose the term exams both are taken at the home, then internal assessment term 1, term 2 will be taken as the average for the fair judgment of the school examinations. And for more updates, kindly visit official websites of the board. And thank you for visiting our channel. If you want to listen such kind of videos more, subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.